One is a popular number, from one main campus to even one studio. But the studio is more than a studio. It is the home of Temple Update, a 30-minute college news show that gives the Temple community up-to-date information on politics, sports, and health from in and around the city. For more information, contact Professor Peter Juroff at juroff@temple.edu and stop by Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9:30 to 10:50.
And much more coming up on Temple Update.
We're constantly working.
Hello and welcome to this edition of Temple Update.
The semester. She continues, we have all
of the nation. And what will it be if we're not... And much more coming up on Temple Update.
Come on, Jared may be playing.
Hello and welcome to this edition of Temple Update.